Hi, this is Pranav Academy of Education. Let us see some important feature of MS Word. It is a powerful word processing program developed by Microsoft Corporation. When you use a computer program to create, edit and produce text document, you are performing a task known as word processing. The most powerful word processor is Microsoft Word 2010. What are the uses of Word? Create personalized professional looking document. Also you can apply styles and themes to the document. You can store and reuse ready-made content and formatted elements such as cover pages and sidebar. You can create personalized email messages, and you can make information in long document accessible by compiling tables of content, indexes and bibliographies. You can safeguard your documents. What are the new features in MS Office 2010? The backstage view, the customizable ribbon and the navigation task pane. Unsaved file recovery option is also there. Paste preview, language support and graphics editing. Text effect. You can give more text effects. Screenshot and improved smart art graphics tool. What are the applications? A lot of applications are there. You can design business document, personal document, reports. You can design newspaper. We can write letters, newsletters and resumes, covering letter, all type of letter. Project documentation is mainly for project documentation. We can use MS Office, and invoices can be created, envelope, award certificate. This is for sample certificates are given. Invoices, envelope designed in MS Office. Project documentation is an important part of project management. You can prepare full project using MS Word. You can design biodata and letter. You can design advertisements. Template. Microsoft makes free templates available to Word users. A template is a blueprint used as a starting point to create other document. There are number of templates available for designing your letter, resume, fax and newsletters. These are some samples. You can create the cover pages using the predefined template available in MS Office. You can design newsletter. Using this template, you can create newsletters. This is an interesting feature. And also the other features are spell check, mail merge, chart, smart art, word art, password security, hyperlinks, watermarks, envelopes and labels. These are also important features of MS Word. Charts. A chart is also called a graph. It is a graphical representation of data, in which the data is represented by symbols such as bars in bar chart and lines in line chart, slices in pie chart. Various types of charts you can create using MS Word. All type of charts are available here. Smart Art is a comprehensive and flexible business diagram tool that greatly improves upon the diagram gallery feature found in previous versions of Office. You can convert a list to Smart Art in MS Word 2010. Clipboard is also available. It is a collection of predefined images and pictures. You can import the pictures into your document. Word Art, special effect in Microsoft Word that change the appearance of text. The colorful text are available. That are Word Art. You can use this in your documentation. Watermark. If you are sending an important document or draft sample, you want to be able to protect your content without having to edit much of it, then you can insert a watermark specific to your objective through the page layout option. Many businesses and other organizations communicate with others, customers and members by means of letters, newsletters and promotional pieces that are sent to everyone on a mailing list. The easiest way to generate a set of documents is the mail merge feature. You can use it. Using this window, you can create number of letters for your employer. The mail merge process combines the static information stored in one document also with the information stored in another document. You can merge the main document and data source. We can merge with the data source available in MS Excel or MS Access or any other database. Data source you can create from MS Word also. First you have to prepare the data source, then prepare main document, then merge main document and data sources. Tables in MS Word. Tables make the data easier to read and understand. We can create tables in MS Word using Insert Table option. You can insert equation, mathematical equation, physics, chemistry, equations and symbols. You can insert built-in equations and symbols in our Word document using this feature. A lot of shapes are available. Geometric shapes, 2D, 3D geometric shapes and arrows and simple smileys are available. You can use these features in your document. Envelopes and letters. You can create and print envelopes in MS Word. You have to type the recipient and your return address here. You can create envelopes and labels. You can send document directly from the Word. This feature is also available. This is available in the file menu. You can use this. After you create a document, you can quickly send it through email from the Save and Send page of the Backstage view without starting your email program. Password protection. There are 3 password types that can be set in Microsoft Word. You can set password to open document, also to modify the document. You can restrict formatting and editing in your document. These are available. You can add digital signature. When you create a document that will be circulated to other people through email or web, you might want to attach a digital signature, means it is also available in MS Office. Hyperlinks. Like web pages, Word documents can include hyperlinks that provide a quick way to perform tasks such as the following. You can open another document, link to the website, download a file, send an email. This feature is also available. A lot of new features are available in MS Office. Thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.